going to drink that delicious West Coast IPA?
All right, so welcome back to I Make Beer. We're doing the tasting here on the West Coast IPA, or the, as I'm calling it, the Western Spaghetti IPA, just because I like the spaghetti westerns. But it was sort of similar to a Lagunitas. This is the tasting of the live brew day that I did back on, it was a while ago, January 21st. And it's been a minute since I've been able to get things done because I've been really busy. But anyway, so I'm going to go over the numbers. Then we'll do the tasting real quick. So if you are not familiar with the brew day, here is a quick recap of the brewing process. So now that you saw a quick recap of the brew day, I will go over the recipe real quick again. So this one was, I used 5 pounds, 2.5 ounces of two-row, 10.6 ounces of caramel malt 10, 6.7 ounces of Munich light, 6.7 ounces of wheat malt, and then 4.4 ounces of caramel crystal, which mine is a 50-60.
No, Kitty, you can't have any.
I used half an ounce of Magnums at the 60-minute point. Willamette, I used a half ounce at 30 minutes. I used 0.07 ounces of Cascade at 30 minutes. The reason I use such a light amount is because they're 18.5% alpha acid. They were cryo hops, so they were a high alpha acid. And then at 0 minutes, I used 0.6 ounces of Cascade. I also dry hopped this. So I did a 3/4 of an ounce of Cascade and a 1/4 ounce of the Centennial. And those, again, were the cryos. So they were high alpha acid, but I used a 1/4 ounce. And we did dry hop 5 days in. At that point, my original gravity was 1057. When I did dry hop, it was 1020. So, and oh yes, I use US-05. So, safe L. So again, we did this, let me look here real quick. The water profile after using my distilled water was, calcium was 42 parts per million, magnesium was 10, sodium was 2, chloride was 33, sulfate was 99, and bicarbonate was 4. And the only reason my bicarbonate wasn't 0 is because my distilled water has 4 bicarbonate in it. What else? We got, my mash pH was 5.5. Original gravity was 1057. And then my final gravity was 1016. So this came out to something, 5.8%. And the IBUs are 69. Fermentation was done after 15 days. So let's go over the numbers for American IPA, which is 21A in the BJCP Guidelines. Original gravity is supposed to be 1056 to 1070. As I said, mine was 1057. So I just hit that. Final gravity is supposed to be 1008 to 1014. I was at 1016. ABV is 5.5 to 7.5. I was 5.8. IBUs are 40 to 70. I was 69. SRMs are 6 to 14, and mine were 10. So here is the beer. It's got a nice, I'd say a dark gold color to it. It is really clear. Nice carbonation level right now. Nice foamy head. Probably not going to get any aroma off it. Yeah, we're getting some nice hop aroma. So aroma is going to be nice. Citrus, a little floral. But definitely nice. Not overbearing hop aroma, but it is very pleasant. As I said, the appearance is, glass is fogging up on me here, is really gorgeous. There is like a little, I'd say an orange color to it. I was going to say red, but more of an orange. We'll go in for the mouthfeel real quick here. Really good carbonation. It's got some bitterness to it, as it should. What else we got going here? Turned out really good. Man, that is really good IPA. Flavor, we've got pretty much the same as, it's got the same as aroma. It does have a little bit of a caramel hint to it, probably because I added some crystal caramel to it. Nice hop bitterness. Got a little bit of citrus flavor to it. It's got some malt, not a lot of malt to it, but it does have a nice little malt flavor to it. Now, it was supposed to be very close to like a Lagunitas. I haven't had a Lagunitas in quite a while, but from what I can remember, Lagunitas tends to be a little bit more bitter. I'm not really sure what the IBUs on a Lagunitas are, but it seems a little bit higher than this, even though this is 69. It's not coming across as that bitter, that high. So if you did catch the live broadcast when I made this, or if you've seen it since it's been posted, had some conversations with some people online. Somebody's made this. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys made this, or if you did catch out the live stream. Couldn't remember what the heck it was called. There'll be another one coming up soon. Haven't had time to brew lately, but I'm going to try to get something done quickly here. Probably you do a Kveik yeast, so I can ferment it really fast. And I haven't used have I used I don't think I've used a Kveik yeast yet. Maybe once. But anyways, we'll do that. We'll do another brew. We'll do another tasting. Like and subscribe. Check out my store. I do have some items for sale there if you want to get t-shirts. This is an older one because I changed my logo, but I've got a couple other things there. You can also follow my Instagram and Facebook page also. You can follow my Instagram and Facebook page also. So, from me and the channel, I make beer. West Coast IPA, Western Spaghetti IPA, as I like to say. Good beer. Give it a try. We're getting closer to summer. It's like 50 degrees out today. And it's March. So spring is a-coming. Hopefully. Cheers. Catch you on the next one.
You still here? No. No, I was